Hello there. After the U.S. announced tariffs on Chinese goods, Beijing responded swiftly by announcing tariffs of its own. State Council said China will impose additional duties on 659 categories of U.S. goods. The rate is the same, 25%. So is the collective value of the goods is $50 billion. There are actually two separate lists of U.S. products. The first includes nearly 550 product lines valued at roughly $34 billion, and they include agricultural products and automobiles. China will also start collecting higher taxes on these products starting June the 6th, and China will make a separate announcement specifying the tariffs on the other product lines. And moreover, the spokesperson from China's Ministry of Commerce said that the two countries have conducted rounds of consultations on bilateral trade, trying to settle disputes for a win-win result. However, it finds the U.S. decision to proceed with tariffs deeply regrettable. The spokesperson said that the U.S. has instead flip-flopped and ignited a trade war, and this move not only hurts the bilateral interest, he said, but also undermines the global trade. The Chinese side firmly opposes that. And Foreign Ministry spokesperson Lu Kang also made a similar remarks Friday night, saying that China doesn't want a trade war. However, he said China has no choice but to fight back and firmly safeguard the interest of the nation and its people. And both spokespersons said that the positive economic and trade outcomes from the previous talks now are not lost. And they also said that waging a trade war undermines the world order, the world trade order. And China called on all the countries to take collective actions to curb the protectionism. Spokesperson Lu called on the U.S. tariffs outdated and regressive. Back to you.